So problem number 1, subdivision number 1, 125 power 2 by 3. So we can write 125 as 5 power 3 because 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Then 3 into 2 by 3 answer. 3 into 2 by 3 means 3 and 3 cancel. Remaining 5 square. 5 square answer 25. So this is first subdivision answer. Then second subdivision, 16 power minus 3 by 4. So we can write 16 as 2 power 4 because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 answer 16. Then multiply the powers. 4 into minus 3 by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. 2 power minus 3. So 2 power minus 3 can be written in the form 1 by 2 power 3. This minus 3 will be plus 3. Answer 2 power 3 answer 8. So 1 by 8 is the answer. Then third subdivision. Subdivision number 3. Minus 1000 power minus 2 by 3. So this minus 1000 will be minus 10 cube. Then this 3 and minus 2 by 3 product value, 3 into 3 cancel, minus 2. Minus 10 power minus 2 answer 1 by 10 minus 10 power 2. We can write it is minus 10 power 2 because it is minus 10 the whole square answer 100. Therefore 1 by 100 is the final answer. Fourth subdivision, 3 power minus 6 the whole power 1 by 3. So here multiply the powers. Therefore minus 6 into 1 by 3 answer, that is 1 into 3, here 2 into 3. So 3 power minus 2. 3 power minus 2 will be 1 by 3 power plus 2. 3 power 2 answer 9. So final answer 1 by 9. Next, last subdivision in first problem. 27 power minus 2 by 3. It is 27 power minus 1 by 3. So I will consider this 27 power minus 1 by 3 in numerator. Therefore it will be plus 1 by 3. This minus will be plus. Base will be base equal. Therefore sum or subtraction of the power, that is minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 answer. We consider 27. 27 will be the base. Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 means minus 1 by 3. Base will be by denominator will be 3. Minus 2 plus 1 answer minus 1. Next 27 will be 3 cube. Therefore this 3 and 3 cancel. Next remaining 3 power minus 1 only. 3 power minus 1 answer 1 by 3. So this is the answer for last subdivision. The second problem, 256 power minus 1 by 2, again the whole power minus 1 by 4, again the whole power 3. So now let us consider product of the powers. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 4 into 3. Therefore 3 by 8. 256 will be 2 power 8. Here product of the powers answer 3 by 8. So 8 and 8 cancel, remaining 2 power 3 answer is 8. This is answer for problem number 2. 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2, the whole square is equal to 9 by 2. Then find the value of x power 1 by 2 minus x power minus 1 by 2 for x greater than 1. So this is the next problem. Now let us consider the normal way of solving. Now this is like a plus b the whole square is equal to 9 by 2. Therefore a value plus x power minus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 9 by 2. This is my given data. So let us find the answer for a minus b. But now I will consider the whole square. Finally I want to remove this square. A minus b the whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. But now use a plus b the whole square formula. I mean x plus 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2 the whole square. And now subtract 4 times ab. 4 times x power 1 by 2 into x power minus 1 by 2. Reason, a plus b the whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is minus 4ab. Plus 2ab and minus 4ab answer minus 2ab, that is answer for a minus b the whole square. Noted? This is the formula, a minus b the whole square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Apply the formula. A value x power 1 by 2, b value x power minus 1 by 2. Again it is a value, this is b value, a value x power 1 by 2, b value x power minus 1 by 2. X power plus 1 by 2 and x power minus 1 by 2 will be x power 0 because subtraction of the powers. X power 0 answer is 1. So just 4, last one, that is equal to already a plus b the whole square. This is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 minus 4 into 1 is 4. 9 by 2 minus 4 answer 9 minus 8 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So the final answer is 1 by 2 for the square value. So now let us remove the square, you can get the answer. So x power 1 by 2 minus x power minus 1 by 2 answer. Remove the square, therefore take the roots for 1 by 2. Answer plus or minus 1 by root 2. The final answer will be positive. So plus 1 by root 2. X power 1 by 2 because x value more than 1. So compulsory this value is more than 1. So the power is negative means this is always greater, it is always smaller. Therefore answer will be positive. Minus 1 by root 2 not possible when x is greater than 1. So write it. Next problem. So this is fourth problem. Simplify and hence find the value of n. Question is 3 power 2n 9 square 3 power minus n whole divided by 3 power 3n is equal to 27. Then find the value of n now. So I will consider 3 power 2n, then this 9 will be 3 square, again the whole square, therefore 3 power 4, then 3 power minus n. This denominator 3 power 3n will be now 3 power minus 3n in numerator. Next right side 27 will be 3 power 3. Then this base will be always 3. So you can consider a single base. Find the sum of all the numbers, I mean sum of the powers. First number 2n, then plus 4, then minus n, minus 3n. Now both of them same base, so we can remove this base, write the powers only. 2n plus 4 minus n minus 3n equal to 3. Then here 2n, this is minus n minus 3n. The sum of the two number here minus 4n and here plus 2n. So subtraction minus 4n plus 2n means answer minus 2n. Then this 4 will be right in right side minus 4. 3 minus 4 answer minus 1. Minus 2n equal to minus 1, therefore n equal to minus 1 by minus 2 answer 1 by 2. This is for the subdivision answer. Next problem number 5. Problem number 5. Find the radius of the spherical tank whose volume is 32 pi by 3 units. So noted, volume is given. Volume is equal to 32 pi by 3. What is the volume of the sphere formula? That is 4 by 3 pi r cube equal to 32 into pi by 3. So 3 and 3 cancel. Then 4 and 32 will be cancelled. 8 4s are 32. Pi and pi also cancel. Remaining r cube and 8. So r cube is equal to 8 will be 2 power 3. Now power will be cancelled. So in the place of r we have 2. R value equal to 2. So this is the answer for radius, because find the radius of the sphere. Answer is 2. Next problem. Question number 6. Simplify by rationalizing the denominator. So just simple problem. Just consider the problem 7 plus root 6 whole divided by 3 minus root 2. What is the conjugate of denominator? 3 minus root 2 means 3 plus root 2. Just change the irrational number symbol. 3 plus root 2. By it is also 3 plus root 2. Normal multiplication, numerator 7 into 3, 21. Then 7 into root 2, 7 root 2. Then 3 into root 6, so plus 3 root 6. Last one root 6 into root 2. Both of them root, square root, therefore root will be multiplied 6 into 2, 12. Divided by, this is a minus b and it is a plus b. So a square answer 9 minus b square answer just 2. So simplified value, it is 21 plus it is 7 root 2. Here plus 3 into it is root 6. 12 will be 2 into 2 into 3, therefore 2 root 3. Whole divided by it is 7. So this is the answer for question number 6. It is 7 root 2, not 2 root 2. Simplify 1 by 3 minus root 8. So now I will consider the first term only. This 3 minus root 8, it is conjugate value 3 plus root 8. Therefore, consider 3 plus root 8. So 1 by 3 minus root 8 multiplied and divided by 3 plus root 8. Therefore, it is equal to 3 plus root 8 divided by, it is a minus b, a plus b. Therefore, a square answer 9 minus b square answer 8. 3 square answer 9, root 8 square answer 8. So, answer is 3 plus root 8 because divided by 1. So, 1 by 3 minus root 8 answer 3 plus root 8. So, I can replace this particular first term by using 3 plus root 8. So, what is the second term answer? It is 1 by root 8 minus root 7. All of you note it. This 3 will be root 9. So, 1 by root 9 minus root 8 answer just root 9 plus root 8. So, 1 by root 8 minus root 7 answer root 8 plus root 7. Similarly, third term answer, it is 1 by root 7 minus root 6 means root 7 plus root 6 only. Fourth term, root 6 plus root 5 only. Then last term, root 5. This 2 will be root 4 actually. Therefore, minus root 4 will be now plus root 4. And I can write this 3 will be root 9. Therefore, it is actually root 9. Now, root 8 and root 8 cancel. This is minus root 7. So, it is plus root 7. It is plus root 6. It is minus root 6. It is minus root 5. It is plus root 5. So, let us consider root 9 remaining. And last one, root 4 remaining. This is actual number 3. It is actually 3. It is actually 2. So 3 plus 2. It is equal to 3 plus 2 answer 5. This is question number 8. If x is equal to root 2 plus root 3, then find x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Noted? X value equal to root 2 plus root 3. So I can replace the x by using root 2 plus root 3 the whole square because x is square. Here also x square. Remaining plus 1 and minus 2. This is a plus b the whole square. Therefore, answer is a square plus b square. Root 2 square plus root 3 square. That is 2 and 3. Then 2 into root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into root 3 answer 6. Root 6. So, root 2 root 6. Then remaining plus 1 here minus 2. Then 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 6. Total 6 plus 2 root 6. Here it is 5 minus 2. Therefore, 3 plus 2 root 6. Next, you want to take the conjugate of the denominator, multiply and divide. Therefore, into 3 plus 2 root 6 will be now 3 minus 2 root 6. Here also 3 minus 2 root 6. Next, normal multiplication to find the answer. So, next step. So, now 6 into 3, 18. Then 6 into 2 root 6. Therefore, minus 12 root 6. Then 2 into 3, it is 6 root 6. 2 into 2, 4. Plus into minus plus minus. 2 into 2, 4. Root 6 into root 6, that is 6. Divided by. It is a plus b, it is a minus b. Therefore, a square minus 2 root 6 the whole square. So, that is equal to here 18, last one 24. 18 minus 24 answer minus 6. It is minus 12 times root 6 plus 6 times root 6. So, minus 6 times root 6. Then first one, last one will give minus 6. Divided by, it is 3 square 9. Then it is 2 root 6 the whole square. 2 square answer 4. Root 6 square answer 6. So, this is the answer equal to. Consider minus 3 is common. Therefore, remaining it is 2 root 6 plus 2 divided by 9 minus 24. The answer is minus 15. So, 1 into minus 3, 5 into minus 3. So, the answer will be 2 root 6 plus 2. So, we can take 2 also common. And remaining root 6 plus 1 divided by 5. This is the answer for last question. So there are 8 questions in this particular exercise. You try to solve all the problems in your classroom notes. Thank you.